I'll show you how to install and use a 100% save file in Assassin's Creed Mirage. Check my video description for the save file download link. Download this and check my video description for this AC save tool. Once download done, check this folder icon. Extract both folder. Once extract done, open the AC save tool. Open this exe. Next to encryption ID, select three dot icon and navigate to a game save location. Make his username app data roaming goldback 6.00. Select this AC Mirage autosave and select open. And now next to saves, select this open and go to downloads and open the 100% save. Select the manual save and select open option and select convert. If you can't find a save file location, then check my video description for this save file path. Navigate to this path. And as you can see, the save file is done. So stuff here and go to downloads and the 100% save. And these are the files. Right click and copy. And now press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Go back to app data. Open roaming. Go back 6100. Before dropping the save, I click on desktop and select new and select folder. Name this backup. Then drop this game progress inside to take if a game progress backup. Now paste the save file we copied. Close stuff here and launch the game. And the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.